I'm Katie Ullman reporting for Ketie Chats at the Toronto Black Film Festival press conference at the Carlton Cinema in downtown Toronto. I'm here with Fabienne Colas, the founder and president of the Toronto Black Film Festival. How does it feel to be going into your third year here in Toronto?
Oh, it feels like a dream because 3 years ago we didn't know what it would become, and the support is growing and growing. So we're very happy and grateful to Torontonians and the community. Really, really, it's their festival now.
And you have so many different things happening at the festival, community events and panels and awards. But tell me a little bit about the panels. I know that you're very excited about the hair panel in particular. So tell me a little bit about that.
Well, because of the films, since the film, the Good Hair by Chris Rock, I mean, black women's hair have been very popular in the debate, in the media, the discussions, because there's two ways of saying that. Some black people think that you should go natural. That means no chemicals, no straightening your hair, no curling your hair. And some other ones say, no, you need to put your hair straight and then nice and then this. And some others says, no, 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 we're nice anyway with our hair natural. So there's this, it's not a conflict, it's just two ways of seeing things. And it's a big conversation, but what we want to talk about is not the beauty of whether your hair is straight or curly or kinky. It's really the implication, how the society views you, how you're portrayed. Is there any consequences? Like, let's say if you have dreadlocks, I mean, you will not get the part if you're an actress for this cute little lawyer girl, and so there are implications for being natural or not. But however, some are anyway in the spotlight, like Rosie Eddy is a global anchor anyway. And then so it's really to talk about it, and then frankly, and say, okay, we have some natural women, we have some not natural women. I mean, the hair, we're talking about hair, and then just see what the identity of black women, what black women here is today through their hair.
Very cool. And you have a bunch of directors coming in to support the festival and to screen their films, but you're also giving out a few very special awards, Lifetime Achievement Award and the Pioneer Award. Yes. So tell me a little bit about how it feels to be honoring these very special individuals.
Oh, it feels good. It feels good because we were thinking, when should we start giving awards in the festival? Because we wanted to strengthen the platform first, and then we thought we were ready for that. And the fact that we're honoring two legends, Bill Cobbs and Fred Williamson, I mean, this is the right thing, the right timing, and the right people to start with. So we're very looking forward to that, and we know it's gonna be sold out, and there's gonna be plenty of people. It's gonna be great.
And the closing night party sounds like it's going to be a really fun time. So tell me a little bit about the theme Blaxploitation, and for those who may not know what that means, what it is, and how it's going to make a great party.
First of all, the festival is all about going back in time as well, to understand the past, and then to know, okay, today we're talking about black films, but how did that start? Well, Blaxploitation was it's a movement, it's a genre of black films. It was commercial films at the time in the 70s, and that were so popular. That was like blockbusters, and then they were made by black or white filmmakers, but with black actors mostly, lead roles. So with that, you had Pam Grier, you had Fred Williamson, you have so many black actors that went in front of the scene, and then that became very popular and everything. So that's where it started. So today, because of that foundation, you can have Spike Lee, you can have Mervyn Van Peebles, you can have, I mean, so many other great directors today that it got inspired by that movement, by that genre. And still today, the genre is still one of Americans' favorite genre. So we wanted to just dive into that, and share with Torontonians how it was before, how it started, and then where we are today. And I think there's no better person than Fred Williamson himself to come and tell us, because it's been He is still an actor, but he's been a producer, a writer, and a director of Blaxploitation films at the time. So Blaxploitation is really commercially exploited films, black films. That's it. That's the way. And then, so closing with that, having not only films but a party afterwards. I mean, this is a dream.
Yeah.
Can you believe that?
We're gonna dress up.
Yeah, and I'm gonna have my Diana Ross rigs and the wig, and then we're gonna have costumes. It's gonna be great. I think it's sometime I watch all those beautiful costume people had in the 70s and say, oh, I wish I was born in that time. I wish I was there. So we can go back in time virtually in that night. So we allow ourselves to be crazy and then to boogie all night long.
And where can we find out more information on everything that's going on in the festival online?
Oh, we can go to torontoblackfilm.com and then everything in there. You can buy your tickets for each film. You can view all the trailers. You can buy passes. You can know all the descriptions of the films, which director is attending or not. Everything is on torontoblackfilm.com. And the festival is started from February 10th to February 15th.
Well, thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm Katie Allman reporting for Ketie Chats at the Toronto Black Film Festival press conference in downtown Toronto.